Yan, duha ka packet oh. I love this one oh. Uy, napay there's a Cadbury. Taga nag-surprise ani na bag uy. There's a Cadbury. You are from abroad. You are. So that's it. Thank you, Frank, for work. Show me. Wow, you're so beautiful. Not yet. Gikan si Francine sa gawas. Look at you all. You're sunflower tanan. Show your card, be, your hair, be. Nag-hover ko, guys. Tapos, uy, no. Uy. No, uy. No, it's not yet. Mama's not done. What?
That is the sausage. You have to tell me that in advance, huh?
Why?
Because
I'm
faster than you are texting.
Okay, I'm so sorry, if I didn't write that card.
No, I'm sorry for you because you cannot have the sausage.
Yeah, but I'm so hungry.
Yeah.
So I do
you
need.
know what? I've got an alternative. You can eat the chocolate here.
Chocolate? Is that for me?
No, that's for Francine. That's only the chocolate.
The chocolate? Ay, there's a chocolate. Oh, look. And then, Frank bought ako on me. Oh, binili na ko. 4 of them is for me. Binili to ni Frank, guys. Nakita. Wala man lang gibutang o paper bag. Uy, grabe ginig lalaki. Binili ni Frank na ano. Pinakita niya sa akin kanina. Akala ko kung ano. Binili jud niya. Tapos na yung chocolate to. Why all white chocolates?
Because they don't have the other stuff. And the other, the original and the other stuff is all this filled other stuff.
Okay.
Stuff I don't like that. But since I've tasted that, at least there's one left. One taste flavor left.
Kamata si Francis. Ang kaning bag, pinalit niya. Wa jud gisulod og paper bag ug kuan. Tapos, I love this kisling. Another bag. Ayan, duha ka packet oh. I love this one oh. Uy, napay there's a Cadbury. Taga nag-surprise ani na bag uy. There's a Cadbury. You are from abroad. You are.
The plan was actually to have the chocolate for me.
Okay.
The bag for you, but since you are hungry,
I'm hungry.
You cannot eat the bag.
Yeah, so we sell the bag.
The chocolate, and no, the bag is for Francine.
Okay. Buang ka. Francis, is awake na. Nagtagad ko mumata ka. Pa ko na mag-hover. No, he's just not in mood because when he wake up, he want directly a milk.
Is that so?
Oh, nice aircon. Oh, looking good.
He's already.
Oy, kayo, oy. Magkailangan ko mag-hover og tiwas dire. Gitagad na ko ni mata ni si Francine. You're awake na, so I take you out here. Mama will finish here, okay?
Sit in my thing.
4 Toblerones. 2 Cadbury. Mura mag-abroad si Frank. Oy, niya. Gikuyog niya si Francine. You are like abroad ba when abroad from other country come home in Philippines bringing chocolate and with bag pa oh. But without lunch now. No lunch.
No, I have to go again to get nappy changed.
Okay.
And she already sleep on the, she made 2 attempts to sleep.
Okay. Okay. Patuloy yun. Sana ko na. Di ko pakita sa vlog guys. Kaya wala pa akong ligo guys. Eh. Nang limpyo manggug ko niya. Haggard kay kog dagway ba. So, kanina lang sa akong sila ipakita. He noticed that Papa is home.
Everything okay on this?
Yeah, I like that actually because it's two, how do you call that? Compartments. Okay. Hello guys. Good afternoon. Afternoon ngayon. And haggard ta kay haggard naman gito. Ano na ko dito ng kurtina guys. So, ayun na yung kurtina na nabili namin sa IKEA. Gray. Pero natangtang siya. Din ang isa andun. Pag nakuhaan kami, ganyan lang namin para dark siya dito sa kwarto. Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko ang init dito. Tapos today guys, ibalhin na, i-move namin ang bed ni Francine sa kids room. Nag-ano daw ng space si Ella para sa bed niya kasi yun, ita-transfer na namin siya sa kids room guys kasi hindi naman kasi siya natutulog sa bed namin tapos kahit pugso mo siya patulugin, kahit pilitin mo siyang patulugin sa bed namin para magkatabi kami, hindi siya natutulog. So we decided ni Frank na i-move na lang namin siya sa kids room para kung ayaw niya doon, pwede naman siyang tumabi sa amin sa bed kasi nga malaki na yung bed namin, di ba? Para yung crib ni Junior, kasi yan yung ano ng bed namin ngayon guys, 'di ba? Nandun si Francine. Tapos so picture pa lang yan ni Francine, sa baby pa siya. Sa hospital galing yan. Set na siya, madami siyang photos. And anyway, wait. So i-move ko si Francis either there or para makalagay kami ng side table ni Frank. Pero i-move namin si Francine kasi nga ano, hindi na para ano siya guys ba, para maanad siya dun sa kids room kasi dun naman talaga yung room nila ng mga kids. So para si Francis kasi minsan hindi naman mahirap patulugon si Francine. Ngayon nga nagnap siya. Hindi ko nga sinabi na magnap pero nangdiretso na dito sa bangko. So either para ma-set na siya sa sa kids room kasi nandun na din yung closet niya, tapos parang matira dito si Junior na lang para din pag umiiyak si Junior hindi siya nagigising. So, let's see kung natapos na nila yung kids room. Ayun. Pa dito ang balon o ang decoration.
So
that's what it looks like now, the kids room. So we're moving in Francine inside. Why do you put the table here? Is this fine? For now. Mag-hover pa si Ella. Sige pa, hoverin sa nato. So, yan yung itsura ng kids room. Pakita ko sa inyo maya, guys. Pero before that, we will open the kuan. Diba, itong nakaraang araw, nag-ano si Frank, umuwi ng may dalang bag at tsaka, ano ba yun? Yung may chocolates. Ngayon naman, tumating ka kanina, kahapon ito, and then sabi niya bag to, so i-unbox natin. Thank you. So by the way, I'm wearing my favorite t-shirt dress. Paborito ko to, kaya wag yun ang kung lagi ko siyang sinusuot guys, kasi may paborito naman tayo, iba tayo ng paborito. He don't see this yet too. So I'll speak a bit English, not Deutsch, because Frank is actually German. Doon sa nag-comment na hindi ako nagdo-Deutsch anak ko, ayun na, ano ko guys, nagka-curious na ako, hindi na ako, matakot na ako, I'm afraid na to speak English. Yeah, okay. So may ganito siya. Ayan ang laman. Oh, my God. Tadang! May aron siya. Paano siya sa fossil. Sa fossil na bag.
what's that?
From fossil. The one that we...
Yeah, but what's that then?
I don't know. You open that since you the one
It's like,
who...
sorry to tell you, this is a fake. We don't have the original anymore.
Tapos meron siyang dust bag. Yan. And this... Hala, I really like it. Nakita ko to siya online, guys. Tapos sabi ko siya naka-sale. Diba, binilhan na niya ako ng bag nung nakarang araw. Mahilig inaano kasi talaga ni Frank yung mga gusto ko ba. Ini-spoil niya yung mga gusto ko. So, that's the bag. Maingay ba? Mayroon kasing electric fan, wait. Sa background. Maingay. So, Frank, I think is more excited. Ang gusto ko to kasi wala pa akong maliit na ganito na bag bang, yung napakaliit. Kasi yung bag na binili ni Frank last time, binili yan yun actually sa airport guys, since bumibili siya lagi doon ng Toblerone. Kaya doon, binili niya doon yun. Kung nakita niya to sa online, yan, sabi niya, do you like it? Then get it. So, ayun. May ano siya dito. Wait. So, hindi ko muna tanggalin yung tag kasi hindi ko muna siya tatanggalin ito kasi hindi ko pa siya gagamitin. Ayan, may packet siya dito, guys. May packet. Packet siya. And very nice. Ewan ko kung leather ito. Basta, nagustuhan ko siya kasi dito sa ano, oh. Hindi to siya ano, surprise guys. Kasi pag, si Frank kasi pag bumibili yan siya sa akin, tinatanong niya talaga ako para hindi masayang yung pera ba. Then since ano, since hilig ako sa bag at shoes, kaya yun ang lagi niya. Sa shoes, hindi ko siya pinapabili kasi ako talaga yung namimili ng mga shoes. Either siya ang magbabayad. Then, kasi mas gusto niya, mas gusto niya kasi, ganyan kasi kami guys, kaming dalawa. Pag may gusto kami, mas prefer namin na kami magbayad sa isa't isa. Like for example, yung gusto niya, ako ang nagbabayad minsan, and ang sa akin naman siya nagbabayad para ano daw ba, para mas ma-appreciate daw namin, maalala daw namin. Ayan. So, ayan. May dalawa siyang packet. Ganyan yung ano niya. Tapos, ang isa din dito. Ito yung, and then, ayan. Another, ano, from Fossil, right? This is my first Fossil bag. And then, mga ano nang dayo. Ito. Hindi ko po muna siya, lagi ko lang muna siya dyan. So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Tapos, adjustable. Hilig ako sa sling bag kasi may anak tayo, may baby tayo. Mas madali siya. Ayan. Tapos, ma-adjust mo siya. Pero, ayan. Ganda. Bit na bit ko. Tapos, ito yung nagpaano ko talaga. Oh, may mas malaki dito. Pero mas gusto ko siya ito kasi pang ano lang naman, pang mobile, wallet, at saka small stuffs. Kasi meron naman akong nappy bag na, so hindi ko nilalagay all together yung gamit sa mga kids. At meron siyang ganyan, golden na parang key. So, that's it, our bag. Ang ganda niya. So, ayun. Lagay natin siya sa dust bag later para ilagay ko dun sa, keep natin dun. So, ayan. I'm so happy on this bag. Meron pala akong isang bag dyan, isang bag na hindi din na open pa kasi hindi naman kasi, ang lagi ko kasing ginagamit pag pumupunta kami sa center, yung tummy ko na bag, yun yung favorite ko na gamitin kasi malaki siya, tapos maliit siya pero mas madami ding nalalagay, like for example wipes, yung wallet ko at mobile, yan lang naman talaga yung dalawa yung dinadala ko pag nasa center kami. So, that's why I ended up buying a nappy bag kasi pag nagta-travel kami, para may nappy bag na ako, dun ko ilalagay yung mga gamit ng mga kids. So, that's it! Thank you, Frank, for work! So, ayun guys, ang ating nappy. Tingnan natin sila dun. Paandar ko ng electric fan, balik kaysa kasi ang init. Inaano ko. Ay, wait, ang papel.
So we're going to put the teddy to bed. Are we going to put the teddy to bed?
Can we go?
Come on. Then.
No, here.
Where's your bed? Where's your bed?
Okay.
Come on, let's put all the stuff to your bed.
Come on, you help Mama.
There's your teddies
Help
in order.
Mama.
Put that
Come
to
on,
your
put
bed.
this in your bed. She doesn't know yet. Oh, come on, put this all in your toys, oh. In your bed. Where's Francine's bed pa? Where's Francine's bed?
Yeah, then go.
Yeah, then go.
I'm gonna lay down in your bed. Where's your bed?
Francina, where's your bed? She thinks that's her bed. Where is it?
That's where your bed was, yeah?
Where's your bed?
There? You're going to sleep there on the floor? You're going to sleep there now? In Francis' bed? That would be your wish, no?
She's looking, I think she knows.
You know. Then you're gonna sleep here now? Yeah?
So get Teddy. Put Teddy here.
That's her corner now here. Since Francine should be sleeping alone, so we decided to do it today. And let's see the reaction. How Francine is going to react on that. Sleeping in here tonight, alone, together with Ella, since Vanessa is with her mom. So, oh, there you are. She looks excited. What happened? So you're going to prepare your bed for tonight? Where's Francine going to sleep here? There's no space. Look at that. Yeah, you have to put that all, make it all tidy. Huh?
Stay there. Hello, Papa, look. She thinks she's sleeping there.
I don't think so.
Your bed is in the kids' room now.
Why do he have a day?
What's wrong with him?
Hello, Akbar. Hello, Akbar.
I have to look for Francine, see what she's doing. Yeah, that's your picture. We have to put that on the wall somehow, somewhere. Yeah, you're gonna sleep with your sisters. Is that fine? Yeah? Okay. Nice bed. So you're going to make it all nice? Look at that. We're going to put that teddy, we're going to put her here. That teddy we're going to put here. He's going to sleep beside you, as always. Those ones we're going to place there, yeah. And you put that one there. Exactly. Yeah. Put them where you like them, no? Beside your pillow. Yeah, like there. Mm-hmm. The turtle. You can put the turtle here. Yeah, put it where you want. There, there. Yeah, like that. And your teddy.
Here, you can put that here.
That's good. Is that the teddy from Mr. Bean? Okay, I gotta go.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Francine.
Say bye-bye, guys.
Is the feet like that? Wow, you're so beautiful. Show me again.
No, here.
Show me again. Ang make-up kurap ya, Itu. Yang isa. Andiyan mandang. Wah, mama. Mama.
Look, I have new makeup.
Mama. Nanoot ang taninang Francine. Huh? Oh.
Do you know?